My name is Taylor Howard. I'm VP of Sales for Blue Sky Compute. Blue Sky Compute is headquartered in San Francisco, and we are a Neocloud first and foremost. But what makes us different is we handle an AI solution implementation from beginning to end. We recently worked on a project where time was of the essence. The client really needed to get something done very quickly. So it wasn't really a specific technical design that was being created or implemented on our part. We just needed to get it done quickly and needed it to work. This was an urgent project for us because it was one of our larger clients. It's actually one of the first larger clients we had. And they had a very tight time window as to when they were looking to get things done. So we needed to partner with somebody that was going to help us get us through that very brief time window quickly. There were some risks that we were needing to address initially. It was certainly that the quality was where it needed to be, but it was something that needed to be built to last. And more importantly, it was something we needed to be able to build upon more in the future as we scaled this project. What we were looking for in terms of working with an infrastructure services provider is that they provided quality, but they were actually able to move at the pace that the deal demanded on our part. What we were attracted to with GDT was that they were big enough and had enough resources to get the deal done connection-wise, whether it be Cisco or any other sort of vendor, but they were also still that boutique feel. GDT suggested a B300 solution that worked great for what we were looking to do. But when our largest investor faced a capital delay, GDT went to bat for us and managed to keep that payment window open, allowed us to iron out those wrinkles so we could get the deal seamlessly done at the time horizon that was expected. When you're deploying clusters at the scale that we are right now, it's great to have a partnership with GDT because they can handle all of the gaps that inevitably need to be filled in between, whether it be software solutions issues or hardware with the infrastructure. One of the other things that's really great about working with GDT is it's not necessarily just a transaction. It feels a bit more like a partnership. And we scale at different speeds. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's not. And it's great to have a partnership with someone that can go at the speed that we're going. Success to us, as far as this deal was getting it done in the very tight time horizon that was provided to us. And GDT definitely helped us do that. One of our initial clients was a nonprofit dedicated to studying bees. Needless to say, they had a very large and complicated data set. We were able to leverage our data scientists to the point at which there's now a publicly available database for further study from other nonprofits. We've worked with GDT for a while, and one of the reasons we continue to work with them is for the professionalism, their quality, their ability to meet deadlines. And overall, they're really invested in our growth. As a result of our partnership with GDT and Cisco, it's given us that competitive advantage that allows us to meet the ever-growing needs of GPU capacity on the market.